close your eyes for a second. No, really. Just for a moment. I want you to imagine the sound you just heard. That's not a sound file from some library. That's the sound of a Tuesday. A Tuesday where your biggest decision is whether to have coffee on the beach or up in the mountains. The fire you're picturing? You built it yourself, steps away from your front door. And that warm light isn't a hotel room lamp, it's the glow from your own windows, in a home you brought with you. This feeling, this isn't a vacation brochure fantasy. This is what happens when a machine doesn't just get you from A to B, but unlocks the entire alphabet of places in between. And what if that machine didn't look like a lumbering RV, but a sleek, elegant spaceship for the open road? Friends, that what if ends today. Because we're about to step inside the 2026 Giottivan 60B. And it's going to redefine everything you thought you knew about small luxury motorhomes. Let's start with the first impression. You see it coming down the road, and it doesn't scream camper van. It whispers precision. It has a presence. Look at the profile, it's aerodynamic, almost like it's leaning into the wind. That smooth shell isn't just for good looks. It's a single piece of advanced composite material, meaning no seams, no weak points, and a silence inside when you're driving that's almost eerie. See the way the light catches the silver? That's a ceramic-coated paint that resists scratches and UV fade, so it looks this sharp years from now. Now, walk around it with me. Notice what you don't see. You don't see bulky compartments hanging off the sides. Everything is hidden behind these beautifully flush, color-matched doors. Camera follows as a door is pressed and opens smoothly. This one? Your full external shower hookup, with hot water on demand for rinsing off surfboards or muddy boots. This one? The utility bay for your power cords and hoses, all neatly organized. They've thought about the messy parts of this lifestyle and designed them to be clean. And the size, this is the magic trick. At just under 6 meters, that's about 19.5 feet for my friends in the States, it has a footprint similar to a large pickup truck. You can park this at a grocery store. You can navigate a narrow, winding forest road. The freedom this gives you is immediate and profound. But the real deception, the real genius, is what they've packed inside this elegant, manageable shell. Take that first step in. Go on. Breathe in. That smell, that's not plastic or glue. It's the smell of Real oak veneer, of premium wool blend fabrics, of quality. This doesn't feel like you've entered a vehicle. It feels like you've stepped into a very smart, very cozy modern apartment. The space feels huge. And that's the first miracle. They've used light colors, massive windows that go almost floor to ceiling, and a panoramic roof panel that floods the center with natural light, to make your brain perceive space far beyond the actual dimensions. It's an illusion of grandeur, and it works perfectly. Let's break this home down, room by room. We'll start where you'll live most of your waking hours, the lounge. To your left is this beautiful, deep, L-shaped sofa. Sink into it. Go ahead, I'll wait. Pause. It's not firm or bench-like. It's supportive but plush, upholstered in a fabric that feels soft but you just know will wipe clean with a damp cloth. Underneath you, running the entire length, are silent, full extension drawer slides. This is where you stash shoes, tools, board games, the stuff of life. But look at the heart of this room, the table. It's solid, it has a beautiful wood grain finish, and watch this. A hand presses a discreet lever, and the table smoothly descends. With one motion, it lowers perfectly flush with the sofa cushions. In under 60 seconds, this entire area becomes a sprawling, genuine double bed, what we'll call bed number 1. No fiddling with slats, no wrestling with cushions that turn into jigsaw puzzles. It's seamless. But for now, let's keep it as our living room. Now, pivot. Your kitchen is waiting. And this is where most small vans ask you to make a serious sacrifice. Not the 60B. This is a proper kitchen. You have a deep, single-bowl stainless steel sink with a gorgeous pull-down sprayer faucet, the kind you'd want in your house. Right beside it, set into the same gorgeous countertop, is a 2-burner induction cooktop. Induction is a game-changer. It's safer, it heats your pot instantly, and the surface stays cool to the touch everywhere else. Spill something? Wipe it. Done. But look down here. This cabinet door looks like all the others, sleek and handleless. You just press and door opens with a soft click. This is the big fridge. Let's be very clear. This is not a cool box. This is not a 12-volt compartment. This is a true 90-liter, compressor-driven refrigerator and freezer. It runs so efficiently on the van's battery system that you can leave it on for days. You can fit gallon jugs, fresh produce, steak, ice cream, a bottle of champagne, all of it. It's a home fridge. And above it, you have actual, usable counter space. The surface is a quartz composite, beautiful, tough, and heat-resistant. You have a place to chop vegetables, to set down your wine glass, to actually cook. It's a radical concept in a van this size, and it changes the entire experience from camping to living. Now, the sleeping arrangements. The 60B doesn't just sleep 4, it comfortably accommodates 4 adults with dignity. We've already seen the master suite in the back, bed 1. Let's look at bed 2. Glance up front, above the driver and passenger seats. See that sleek, low profile? That's an electric pop-top roof. At the touch of a button, it rises almost silently. Shot of the roof elevating smoothly. An integrated ladder unfolds, and you climb up into a private loft. It's a proper double mattress up there, with its own reading light, a small mesh window for stargazing, and a feeling of being in a cozy treehouse. For kids, it's an adventure. For adults, it's a peaceful retreat. But here's the real piece of engineering brilliance, beds 3 and 4. See this forward-facing seat directly behind the passenger chair? It looks like a comfortable bus seat. It's part of a transformable system. The small table in front of it lowers. Then, this seat base flips and extends. At the same time, the driver's seat swivels 180 degrees to face the rear. Together, they form 2 completely separate, full-length single beds. Think about that. 2 people can have their own dedicated sleeping space, with an aisle between them. No climbing over each other. No shared mattress. For friends traveling together, or for parents who want a separate space from kids, it's an absolute revolution in small van sig. Alright. You've been patient. It's time for the main event. The feature that makes everyone's jaw drop. The big shower. In the world of compact vans, the bathroom is almost always the heartbreaking compromise. A plastic closet that gets everything wet. Not here. The narrator walks to a curved, tambour-style door and slides it open. This is a bathroom. Step inside. I'm serious, there's room. You can lift your arms to wash your hair without elbowing the wall. This is a fully lined, one-piece wet room. The walls are a warm, textured composite that feels solid, not flimsy. And the shower head. Hand reaches up to demonstrate. It's a rainfall shower head on a sliding bar. You can adjust it from the top of your head down to your feet. The pressure is fantastic, thanks to a dedicated, silent water pump. But here is the detail that breaks the internet, the floor. It is gently, evenly heated. After a long, cold day of adventure, you step into a shower that welcomes you with warmth from the ground up. It's not just a shower, it's a recovery session. And they didn't skimp on the rest. There's a full-size, electric flush cassette toilet tucked neatly to the side. A proper vanity with a porcelain sink and a mirror that has an electric defogger built in. There's storage for towels, for toiletries. This is a bathroom that erases the last remaining compromise of life on the road. Up front, the driving experience matches the living experience. You sit in supportive, leather-trimmed seats. In front of you is a fully digital driver's display, crisp and configurable. In the center of the dash is a large tablet-style touchscreen. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, built-in navigation. And because this is a 2026 model, it's loaded with Guardian Angels, adaptive cruise control to take the stress out of highway miles, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree bird's-eye view camera system that makes parking this thing as easy as parking a hatchback. The technology doesn't stop when you put it in park. Right here by the door is the brain of the operation, a touchscreen control panel. From here, you control the mood. Fancy a warm amber glow in the evening? Tap. A cool blue for morning? Tap. You monitor your empire, the 300 watts of solar on the roof, silently soaking up sun. The massive lithium-ion battery bank under the floor, storing enough power to run everything: fridge, lights, pumps, charging ports for days without ever needing to plug in or start a generator. This van grants you true independence. So, what makes the 60B the new must-see? Why is it a game-changer? It comes down to a single word: integration. Other vans offer a big shower, but they're built on huge, truck-like chassis. Others claim 4 beds, but they're cramped, bunk bed affairs with no personal space. Others are small and nimble, but you live like a minimalist monk. The Giottivan rejects those trade-offs. Every system, every piece of furniture, every storage cubby is designed to serve multiple purposes without you ever feeling like you're converting something. The luxury is in the details your hand touches every day, the soft thud of a cabinet closing, not a rattle. The magnetic window shades that block out every speck of light for a perfect sleep. The USB-C power ports thoughtfully placed by every single bed and seating area. The incredible amount of hidden storage, the massive wardrobe, the overhead bins, the dedicated space for a washing machine option. This van doesn't just give you features, it gives you a feeling of serene, organized, uncompromised capability. Now, I have to ask you. I've shown you around, but this is about your dream. Your adventure. So picture yourself in here. Which of those 4 beds would be yours? The luxurious loft under the stars? The master suite in the back? Or would you claim one of those single beds, your own little sovereign territory on wheels? And what's the one thing that seals the deal for you? Is it walking into that shower and feeling the heated floor? Is it opening the full-size fridge and knowing you're not limited to canned food? Or is it simply the idea that all of this comfort, this freedom, fits into something you can actually drive every day? Drop a comment below and tell me. Let's talk about it. Because at the end of the day, the 2026 Giottivan 60B is more than a collection of brilliant specs and clever engineering. It's a permission slip. It's the key that turns someday into this weekend. It proves that you don't have to give up the cozy comforts of home to embrace the breathtaking beauty of the unknown. You can have the soft sheets, the hot shower, the home-cooked meal, with a view that changes whenever you want it to. This isn't just about seeing the world, it's about letting the world see you, living your very best life, right where you park it. If this tour sparked that feeling of wanderlust in you, if you can see a version of your life with a little more horizon in it, do me a solid, smash that like button. It tells us we're on the right track. Let your voice be heard in the comments. What's your ultimate destination? And if you want to join us as we explore the machines that make these dreams tangible, make sure you subscribe and tap that notification bell. We're just getting warmed up. Thank you so much for your time today. From all of us here, dreaming of the next turn in the road, we'll see you out there.